Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the Brother ADS-1350W scanner step by step. We'll cover everything from unboxing the scanner, connecting cables, installing drivers, and setting up Wi-Fi so you can start scanning documents quickly and easily. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open the box and take out all the components. Inside the box, you should find Brother ADS-1350W scanner, USB cable, AC adapter, included in some regions, quick setup guide, and safety guide. Now, remove all protective tapes and plastic film from the scanner. Next, open the top cover of the scanner and check inside to remove any remaining protective tapes or packaging materials. Make sure you keep the original packaging in case you need to transport the scanner in the future. Step 2. Before connecting anything, place the scanner on a flat and stable surface, such as a desk or workstation. Make sure the area is clean and dry, away from heat sources, away from direct sunlight, and free from dust and moisture. This helps prevent damage and ensures the scanner works properly. Step 3. Now let's connect the scanner. If your model includes an AC adapter, plug the adapter into the scanner and connect it to a power outlet. Next, use the USB cable to connect the scanner to your computer. Make sure your computer's USB-C port supports at least 15 watts of power output for proper operation. Once connected, power on the scanner. Step 4. Before scanning your first document, prepare the paper correctly. Take your documents and fan the pages slightly, align the edges evenly, and insert them into the automatic document feeder, also known as the ADF. This helps prevent paper jams and ensures smooth scanning. Step 5. Next, you need to install the scanner software on your computer. Open your browser and go to setup.brother.com. Download the Brother full driver and software package for the ADS-1350W. Once downloaded, run the installer, follow the on-screen instructions, and allow the software to detect your scanner. After installation is complete, restart your computer if required. For Mac users, you can download the required software directly from the Brother support website. Step 6. The Brother ADS-1350W supports wireless scanning. To connect the scanner to Wi-Fi, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the scanner for about 2 seconds. When the Wi-Fi indicator starts blinking, press the WPS button on your wireless router. Once the connection is successful, the Wi-Fi light will stop blinking and remain solid. This means the scanner is successfully connected to your network. Step 7. Manual Wi-Fi setup, if needed. If automatic Wi-Fi setup does not work, you can connect manually. Restart the scanner and router, then repeat the connection steps. Make sure your router supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Enter the correct network name and password. Once connected, the scanner will be ready for wireless scanning. Step 8. If your scanner does not work properly, check the LED indicators. For example, a steady light means the scanner is ready. A flashing light may indicate a power issue or setup error. If you see a power shortage error, make sure the device receives at least 15 watts of power. Now your Brother ADS-1350W scanner is ready to use. Simply load documents into the feeder, open Brother scanning software on your computer, select scanning settings, click Scan. Your documents will be scanned directly to your computer or mobile device. Troubleshooting tips. If you experience any setup problems, try these quick solutions. Restart the scanner, restart your Wi-Fi router, check the USB or power connection, make sure your computer and scanner are on the same network, reinstall the Brother drivers if needed. You can also visit the Brother support website for manuals and troubleshooting guides. And that's it! You have successfully set up your Brother ADS-1350W scanner. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer and scanner setup tutorials. If you need any help with printer or scanner setup, driver installation, or troubleshooting, to contact our support team. Our support team will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.